Wasting too much time searching for specific items can hinder workflow and lower productivity. The solution? Customizable workstations, which can be implemented to reduce waste, optimize floor space, and improve work performance. We offer 80/20 profiles and parts, a versatile and modular line of products that provides opportunities for endless ergonomic configurations. Building with aluminum T-slot profiles allows for workstations to be tailored to precise needs of the user. You can easily add organizational components and casters for mobility. You can even create a pressure manifold in the T-slot channel and use a single hose to pressurize the entire frame. Adjusting the height or switching out storage bins and tools can be quickly and easily accomplished. Promote organization and optimize work performance with a customizable modular workstation. Our specialists can help you design your custom solution. Contact us today to get started.